In this video, I'll show how to create an account in Microsoft Teams using your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, open up your Play Store on your mobile device and then search for Microsoft Teams. And then once you've done that, you want to click into Microsoft Teams. It's going to look like this with over 100 million plus downloads and 7 million reviews. So go ahead and download and install this app on your phone. Once that is done, I'll walk you through to the next process. Alright, as you can see, it's downloaded and installed onto my device. So I'm going to go ahead and click on open. And once you've opened it, you'll be brought to a page that looks similar to this. And then what you can do is use the account that's already logged in on your phone. Or you can create or use another account or join meeting with an ID. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and use my email account here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on use this account. And now, so they're going to send you a code. So I'm going to click on send code here. All right, now there's going to be a 4, 6, or 8-digit code inside my emails to paste this code here to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and find that email with that code. All right, so I'm inside my email. So you get a 6-digit code. So go ahead and copy this code. And then go back to Google Teams. Paste that code in here. And click on sign in. There you go, it's signing me in. I'm going to click on get started. I'm going to accept this, or you can decline. You can customize your image here, upload an image from your PC, or sorry, your phone. And you can also edit your name. So I'll quickly edit the name here. I'll change this to like so. Click on the tick. I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. You can sync all your contacts on this device if you like. So I'm going to go ahead and click allow. Click on OK. Click on allow. And there you go. You've successfully created an account for Microsoft Teams.